Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are on another Plaza driving tour. I already did a video on this plaza. It's Twin Gates, so there's a little more detailed video on Twin Gates Plaza. However, that's not what we're checking out today. Today we're checking out two other plazas, one of them which is Central Plaza, so that's where we're heading now. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe if you're new. Remember to like the video. Remember to comment. And remember to share. So we're heading to Central Plaza. Stay tuned, and again guys, leave your comment. You know, whether you're overseas or you're local, if you have, you know, visited these plaza, done transaction on these plaza, if you have some story about one of these plaza, then definitely let us know in the comment section. Alright guys, so stay tuned and remember to subscribe to support the family. Thanks for watching, thanks for clicking. So Central Plaza coming right up. In front of us is Spencer's Tailoring. How many of you guys know Spencer's Tailoring? I've been hearing that name from I was a child, so I know a lot of you guys on the channel probably would have had stuff built here, especially before, you know, stores got so popular, especially before there are so many convenience stores and clothes store. We have a lot of clothes store on this plaza, bridal, open closet, mannequin pieces, pinks fabric. So a lot of different clothes store on this plaza. So just driving around with you guys a little bit. And then the other plaza we'll be looking at is the Springs. Yeah, that's the plan for today. So we'll take a left here and go around this side. We have Knutsford, so beauty store, clothes store. Those are the main things on this plaza. And again, Pablo's and Pings is a fabric store. Alright. So we try to get a 360 turn right here. We have a few furniture stores as well. Island Eyewear. Lucky Dollar Furniture. So yeah, this plaza have a good amount of space, but for some reasons the shop seems to be limited to me, to be honest. The variety is not very high. They do have 2 floors, so you do have some shops upstairs. You also have Parkway Dental at the front right there. That's Parkway Dental, and we came in off Constant Spring Road. We're also right next to Alpha Tree. We're in Alpha Tree. So this is one of the plazas that's all connected on Constant Spring Road. So Pink's fabric right here. Very popular for fabrics. Alright, so this is Central Plaza. We have mirror cushion. And then we head over to the Springs, which is the neighboring plaza for this one. Some of these older plazas, well, they really need to, you know, do a complete paving of the plaza, because some of them is really bad when it comes to the road. So you have a few wholesales here, a few clothes store, piercing, phone store, and they seem to be doing some expansion upstairs as well. Similar to how they gave Southdale Plaza a big facelift, you know, it would inconvenience a lot of shoppers and a lot of business owners, but some of these older plazas definitely need some facelift. As you can see, some of them is from in the 1970s, so a facelift is long overdue. So the next one is this Springs. Not the oldest, still look a little bit modern. So we enter right here, the Springs. This one have some more uptown type stores now. For example, Maxi department store, Cherries, Payless. So you can literally see the difference in stores on this one. It looks completely different. The road is different, well paved, well marked, and you know it's so weird that they're neighbors but so different. But again, guys, leave your comments. We're looking at the Springs and Central Plaza. This one also have KFC restaurant and Mother's restaurant as well. So I think we're able to go around. So let me go around with you guys and then go to the next side. Jewelry store, furniture store, and again Mother's restaurant at the end. Some ATMs, ABMs. So that's Constant Spring Road out there. You can glimpse Tropical Plaza. And then this is KFC in front of us. KFC! You know, that's every Jamaican, our most Jamaican favorite. You hardly find KFC empty on any day of the week. And big KFC truck. KFC is personally one of my favorite fast food, guys. What's your favorite fast food? I know Jamaica don't have some of them like a Chick-fil-A. We don't have McDonald's anymore, but let me know what's your favorite fast food. So this is the other side of the plaza. Again, more clothes store, more department stores. They're really getting a stiff competition online as well, because so many online clothes store exist where you can stay in your bed, look at what you want, order it. Some of them offer free shipping. So some persons wonder how long will some of these department stores be able to stay open. We have Big Buy Variety Store right here, and Kingston Bookshop, and then we have popular A Bars Sports Bar. A lot of persons, especially the younger population, A Bars right there is a central chill spot. Alright, so this road allows us to go around. And Eastwood Park Road is right to my right. So this allows you to go around the plaza. Alright guys, so leave all your comments. Comment. Remember, let me know your favorite restaurant. And let me know what you think about these two plazas, neighbors, but completely on a different level. Let me know some of your experiences as well with these plaza, or shopping on these plaza. So thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, thanks for commenting, and thanks for subscribing. So see you on another video, guys, and again, thanks so much for watching.